Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways, and I know everybody loves that. So, what we're doing today, let me think about it. I forgot. No, I'm just kidding you. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be for this video.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Now, we've had a lot of people ask about how to get wax and rubbing compounds off of their plastic, whether it's textured plastic or smooth plastic or rubber. I'm going to give you the easiest possible method to do this. You probably already have this product if you've watched our videos. Also, if you get a video and you see anything in the title or the picture and it shows a bucket truck or it says Boomzilla, you have to watch that video. It's not just about the Boomzilla or the bucket truck, it's about things that you learn, becoming more mechanically inclined and being able to work on your own vehicles. So make sure you watch those videos, okay? There's all kinds of cool stuff that we're sharing on there. Now here's what we've got. We've got dried wax and rubbing compound on rubber and plastic. Okay, there's this right here, and then we have this spot right here. We've let this set in the Florida sun for weeks. I'll share with you real quick how to get rid of it. Very easily, you just take this product, which you've already had. Julio told you where it's at, okay? All you do is this right here, watch. Spray it on, let it set for a second. All right, now I got a piece right in there. We're gonna leave that. Got some in there. We're gonna leave that and come back to it. Let's do this spot right here. It doesn't get any easier than that, folks. You never have to worry about dried on compounds, or you don't have to worry about dried on waxes anymore. Now let's deal with this spot we've got in there right there. You need yourself a cheap little 10-cent, 3-cent Chinese toothbrush, and you just spray that right there. Go in there with your toothbrush. You can get up in there, get up in there. Now let's spray that little area right there. I can see how it pulls it right out of there. And you need this spray that I'm sharing with you right now if you plan on painting any plastic. Watch this. Voila! All right, now we have this area right here. This is a more textured plastic, and it's a tough one for a lot of people, especially getting in the cracks and crevices. Spray the spray on. We're gonna just take our toothbrush and go in there now and get it done. Perfectly safe for your paint. I feel like one of those carnies. And Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez is the one that came up with this. But I feel like one of them carnies at the fair where they're showing you these things with a headset mic on. Okay, now we got some rubber right here. It's got a little bit on here. Might have to look kind of close on that. Gone. Then once you're done, make sure you hit it with your 303. Then we'll come over here. And then you won't have to worry about waxes and compounds sticking when you do your wax